एंड आज के प्रैक्टिकल के लिए अभी हम इसको हैक करके देखेंगे, ठीक है। इट्स अ विंडोज 10 सिस्टम, all my antivirus should be stopped right now. Am I using any? Manage settings बंद हो। Now I'll make a similar kind of payload for Windows. Which format does in Windows run? exe. So I'm running exe over here. And we are not using Android right now, we are using Windows. So Windows, metadata, reverse TCP. Yeah. Till then, I'll call Raina, I'll just tell him that these are the changes that we have made. Okay, let's just change the port. 9080. Again, network में issue. Give me a second. I've changed the network setting, so that's why it sometimes creates some issues. Sakshi, what happened? I'm sorry, I just missed the messages. Right now, we are trying to hack Windows 10 or any Windows on that matter. And how we are going to do that? I'm showing that. Okay. This is my IP address. I should just copy it with me. Zoom in. Another tab. MSF Venom space -p space Windows. Right now, you guys, you just see this like a film and try to understand that, okay, these are the kind of things that occur. You can hack into a website like I've told you. A server is generally Windows or Linux, and I'm showing you how we can hack into that. You can make fake pages like I've shown you. You can gather information about any website again. So just see what I'm trying to show, because of course it's too small time to learn all the things. Use multi-handler set payload Windows metoperator reverse underscore TCP set lhost set lport exploit. Okay. Now I have my file. Where is my file? Where is my file? Let me see my file. Here is our file aman.exe. I'll just copy it to here. Where it is. Okay. Now my catcher is ready. I have to just ball the ball. So as soon as I press enter, what the hell? Run as administrator kar do. New issues every day. Nice. Okay, that's not a good file. Wait, let me just see. Windows Metadata reverse TCP and Windows. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I forgot something. I have to mention which kind of extension, which kind of format I am using. Sorry. Now the file is made. Yeah, 72 KB. Yeah, here it is. Now when I run, nothing happens over here. But if we go back to our catcher, he has started, he has sent a stage, he has got a Metaparator session. Now if I see, who am I? Okay, sorry, sys info, will you give it? Okay, I'm desktop SRQAT67 Windows 10. This ls aman.apk was there, WhatsApp image was there, burp, hack the box, all these things are there. Let's take a quick screenshot में तो यही आएगा apparently. What else can we do? We can make a file, we can remove a file, we can do anything basically. Look, okay, we have the shell over here. Now we are having the CMD. We can move anywhere, we can look into any file of particular system. Nishant, wait, don't cloud the chat box. I'll be telling you each and everything. Just give me some time. Sakshi, okay, give me some time. Actually, you're not supposed to understand these things. We can change anything. And we don't need to change the password. Why do we need to change the password? We are actually, okay, let me just show you something. Who am I? I'm the admin user. I can change the SAM file. I can do anything. I'm the administrator right now. I can format the system. I can do frankly anything. For example, this PPT, you see, microprocessor, this copy selection, Dell, of course, Dell. Now, if we see there, that file is no longer here. Not even in the recycling box. So we can do anything. Of course, when we'll be learning all these things, then we'll be, knowing how these commands work, which all commands can we use. We can do many things. Also, exit video question mark. I can use webcam also. In mobile phones also, we can use webcam, record mics. We can do this. That's very cool thing. So now, for example, I've gone to Facebook page, something like that. Okay, now I've written my username, password. That's just general thing we do, right? If I do here, keyscan underscore dump, it will show me what all is written by the user. So we have the whole access to the computer of the victim. हमारे पास पूरे victim का सारा system आ गया, Windows system, we can easily hack. Similarly, we can hack into Linux system. Similarly, we can hack into Android mobile phones. Anything can be hacked, but we have to be on the same network. That's the only requirement. Okay. So now I guess there are so many things that I've told. Now let's just open the chat box, open the things that you need to do, you need to ask. Yeah, so if you're talking about that, who was that? Wi-Fi adapter. Any Wi-Fi adapter is good, to be very fair. TP-Link works great. Depends on what kind of usage you are doing. For Wi-Fi hacking, none is good because it don't depend on Wi-Fi adapter. We'll be